this is your Manila tour guide, name is Mark, and I'm here at my favorite salon. This is the Ricky Reyes Salon over here at the Farmers Plaza here in Cubao. As you can see, I just got my haircut. 2 lines over here. Do you like it?
Yeah!
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So of course, my the hairstylist is over there. Say hi, Joel. And okay, it's Christmas now, and you can see that in the air. You can see it on the walls of the salon. You can see it on the walls.
Yeah, sorry.
If only the camera will move, I bet you can see it on the walls. Now these are not your ordinary Christmas lanterns. They represent something. Ang sabi nga ni Roel sa akin, no? May significance yung mga parol na nakasabit dyan sa madilim. Dito, liwanag. Ayan. May significance yung mga parols na nakasabit. Parols, plural ng parols. Yung Christmas lanterns that are hanging on the wall, they signify something. This is a sticker. Maybe our friend over here can tell us something more about the sticker. No? What is kanina kasi may sinasabi siya sa akin about this sticker. Ano nga pala yung mo? Rubel ka rin?
Comment na na.
Sige, magturuan tayo. Kaya naman, nagtuturuan tayo. Ano, please tell us more about this project.
Prepare this kasi yung sa mga cancer patient sa child house. So mag-relate ko ng kasi kanina pa nalagay yung date dito. Tapos sa Christmas party ng child house on December 16, invited yung mga nag-date na find your star. Nakalagay lahat yun doon. Nasaan yung
So I believe we have these Christmas lanterns in all branches of the Reyes Salon. And on December 16th, we will have a Christmas party.
So, child house.
Child house to be held at Amoranto Stadium. And if you, for a small donation, for any amount that is okay to you, you will get a star like this, and you get to sign a small message, and your sticker will be put there. Diba? Like this one, by Bernadette Ramos. Yan. So all of the lanterns that we will collect from all Ricky Reyes Salon branches will be put in Amoranto Stadium on December 16th. Now, please tell us more about Child House. Para saan ba ang Child House?
Para sa mga cancer patient na mga malalayong lugar na nangangailangan ng treatment araw-araw na wala pa mag-anak na matutuloy dito. So, yun yung nagtutok sa kanila para matuloy yung treatment nila. Yung mga free na chemo.
Free chemo.
Yeah.
Tapos tirahan.
Tirahan, pagkain.
Pagkain. For cancer patients from outside Manila who are seeking treatment here in Metro Manila. So, Child House, which is a project of Mother Ricky Reyes over there.
Hi!
Please say hi, Mother Ricky.
Hi.
Mother Ricky. Well, anyways, yan po, project ni Mother Ricky for cancer patients who are less fortunate. Yan po. So, well, can you please invite all of our viewers to come to Ricky Reyes para magpagupit, have a spot salon treatment, and then sign a star. Speechless na. Ayan, on behalf of the Ricky Reyes family, pakita ng mga hi! Ayan. On behalf of the Ricky Reyes family, and everyone is saying hi. We do invite you. Dito ako sa tabi ni Mother Ricky. Para sa atin ito, Mother Ricky. On behalf of Mother Ricky Reyes and the Ricky Reyes Salon family here at Farmers, ito ang aking ito ang aking favorite branch. And we invite everyone to drop by, have a haircut, and then sign a star. Ayan. Shining my star for the cancer patients, the less fortunate cancer patients of Child House. Ayan po. Merry Christmas sa ating lahat. Sana merry din ang Christmas ng ating mga kapatid na mga cancer patients. Ayan po. Your Manila Tour Guide says goodbye!